In 2025, we are more aware than ever of the importance of mental well-being. When a relationship ends, it's natural to feel heartbroken. Yet life goes on, and often at a rapid pace. It's crucial to prioritize healing our hearts so we can thrive again. Our fast-paced modern world doesn't always allow for extended periods of mourning. We have responsibilities to fulfill and dreams to chase. Therefore, understanding how to navigate heartbreak effectively and efficiently is essential. Breakups bring a wave of emotions: sadness, anger, confusion, and loneliness. These feelings are completely normal. It's important to acknowledge and process these emotions rather than suppressing them. Ignoring your feelings will only prolong the healing process. Give yourself permission to grieve the loss of the relationship. Recognize that healing takes time, and be patient with yourself throughout the journey. There are many ways to accelerate the healing process. Self-care is crucial. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Consider journaling to process your thoughts and feelings. Therapy can provide valuable support and guidance during this time. A therapist can equip you with coping mechanisms and help you navigate the complexities of your emotions. Additionally, surrounding yourself with a supportive network of friends and family is invaluable. Perhaps the most important element of healing is self-love and acceptance. Embrace yourself, flaws and all. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Remember that you are worthy of love and happiness, regardless of your relationship status. Focus on rebuilding your life and rediscovering your passions. This journey is about you. Embrace it with all its ups and downs. As you prioritize your well-being and practice self-compassion, you'll emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient than ever before.